Hi guys, this is a video showing you how to make a column for your roller coaster, your paper roller coaster. Let me just show you what role a column plays real quick with a quick picture. So here you go, my computer. A column are the white pieces in this picture. There are some that are going vertical. There's some that are going horizontal, left to right. And there's some that are going diagonal, okay? And they add to stability of the coaster so it doesn't shake when a marble is going through the paper roller coaster, okay? So I'm going to show you how to use your column template to make those vertical, horizontal, and diagonal pieces, all right? All right. I have one made already. Looks kind of like this, all right? So you can kind of look down it like that. There's 4 sides, some tape on it. All right, and that's what it should look like when it's done, okay? Just like that. Okay, keep that right there. All right, so first thing I want you to do is go in your manila folder and grab your template that says column right there at the top. You can see there's 2 columns for each piece of paper that you have. All right, so I'm just going to use these scissors. There we go. So, all right, grab that. And the rule with these templates, all of the templates you're going to use, whether it's for a column, a roller coaster loop, a turn, or just the track, the rule is to 90% of the time, we're going to cut on the solid and fold on the dotted. Cut on the solid and fold on the dotted. All right, so let's do that right here. Cut on the solid first. There we go. So these 5 rows here will make 1 column. All right, you might think to yourself, oh, well, a column's got 4 sides to it. Why am I using 5 rows to make a column? Well, you might figure that out along the way. All right, so we cut on the solid, and now we're gonna fold on the dotted. Okay, so I like to fold it so I could see my dotted lines like this. You could see the dotted line peeking right out the bottom there. Fold on the dotted line right there. And there's our next dotted line. We keep folding all of them the same way on that dotted line. Should have done this one a little better. There we go. And one more fold on that dotted line. So it's just folding all of them the same way on that dotted line. And then we could unfurl it a little bit. You can see all the dotted lines have folds on them. Okay. And then what you want to do is you've got 5 sides, but you want to make it only a 4-sided figure. So you're going to take 2 of the sides and overlap them there. Those 2 sides right there. Overlap them. And when you overlap them, put a little piece of tape on it. On the top. use Scotch tape. Don't waste your Scotch tape. Conserve it. See how much you have in your house before you decide to use all of it up. Okay. So you could continue putting tape a little bit down the seam here as well, since the top and the bottom are taped up. Use your tape wisely. Conserve your materials. Put 2 more pieces of tape here. And now I have a column, all right? There we go. So it could stand up like this. I'll show you kind of like this. It could kind of stand up like that. It could go horizontal, left to right, like that. And you could actually take 2 columns and put them together. All right, I'm going to show you that real quick, because what you want to look at on the top, on all the sides, is there is a little dotted line here. All right. And what you could do is you could snip, you see that? There it is. I'm talking about that really thin dotted line, all right? And you could snip each of the corners up to that dotted line. And then the insides, they could be folded in if you want, or what you could do, because you've got these flexible pieces on the end now, you could flex out like this as well. And you want to do that to a few of the columns that you build, maybe 5 of them, because it's nice because you could get some stability on the table like that, basically, with those pieces that are snipped out in the end, all right? What you can also do with the pieces that are snipped out is you could put them around another column like that. You could kind of grab onto it, and they can make one really super tall column. There we go. And there's your super tall column. And you could tape them up and make a super tall column there. You could also use that snipping procedure to kind of fold one piece in and put it up against a another column as a diagonal piece, all right? To get some more stability. All right, so there's your columns.